Good morning. It is almost 4 o'clock and we're headed to hike in here. Another sheep hunt. Gave it a couple of good days. Hopefully the weather cooperates and we'll find a sheep. So we'll see you peoples after daylight somewhere back here. We're gonna start hiking. Here it is. Oh, what time is it? 8 o'clock, just daylight. And we're probably 8 miles in now. Crystal clear. Okay. It's overcast, but it's clear in here. There's not much fog in here. That's good. I'm gonna grab my binos, glass a little, and we're got another mile and a half to the rock. So we're getting there. We got our tent set up right here. And the wind is howling as normal. And got my new Kuyu tent set up here. Stuff in the zone yet. But the fog is kind of up and down. It's cleared out for a little bit to a certain extent, and then kind of fogs back in, and then clears out, and then so. Not far from our camp. We actually about 250 yards from when we came in.
Worth the trip up here.
That is crazy. It's cold. Anyway, it's pretty awesome. It's clearing off really nice. We've seen at least 4 little muley bucks and some does. These kids are so cute. I think that's a pretty good nanny. Jim, I'm ready. Go ahead. I'm good. Are you gonna wait till he turns, or? There you go. Got him. Nope. I don't know where that hit. Hit him again, Oh, crap. I'd hold back a little bit, all right? I'm ready when you are. Make sure you're solid. He just wait to the left. Walk to the left a little bit. He's still in the open. Yeah, it went back the other way. Just, I'd say hold it this time. Okay? There, he got him. Yeah, he hit him back just a little bit. days. Nice shot. He fell down. He's still right there just kicking. Yeah. He's a monster. That thing is big. He's got like some kickers all over the place. I can't believe it.
Well, we shot ourselves one of them big old muleys way up high in the Arctic frigid weather.
Oh, it's so cold this morning. Jim gets up and he glassed for about 2 minutes and he's like, there's a buck. I think I want to shoot him. I stepped out and I took one look and I was like, yeah, you better shoot him. he's good. So, sheep hunt turned to deer hunt.
Yeah. This is the last time we're
It's
going to
cold.
come up here and sheep hunt anyways. The snow's getting deep and the sheep, looks like the sheep have gotten pushed out. It's just ice and snow and frigid and blowing up there, and I don't think the sheep like it. So it looks to me like they've come down in the bottom. We cut some sheep tracks coming out of the bottom, and I think they're moving on out. So we thought we'd better take this little honey pup home with us. He looked cold and lonely, so I'm gonna have him over for dinner and see if I can find him a spot on the wall.
That's exactly right. Making up some oatmeal. I got coffee, some granola, and just glassing a little bit more. We're gonna pack up pretty soon probably and head over there, butcher them. I think we're gonna head out over here and spend tonight there trying to find some sheep yet, and then head out in the morning, pack him out. It's been a fun 2 days. Packed up, headed down to go get the buck. We're gonna hike down this rock cliff and then through the bottom and up the other side a little bit, but a little bit cold, so we're gonna get to hiking and warm up. Not deep, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, see skin. Right down here. Oh, right there.
That's awesome. Oh, I see some horns.
Oh yeah.
Oh, buddy.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, dude, look at that base.
He's
He's
big.
crazy.
That base is huge.
Crazy looking. Oh my goodness.
Look at that.
Pull him out this way.
Huh?
Pull him out this way. Look at
Okay.
that base on. Like he's got kickers down on the bottom.
Oh, yeah.
He's got like 4 of them.
Nice. Here, sit this over there. Yeah. Hooah. Oh, look at that.
Oh my goodness.
Dude.
Yeah.
What? Oh, wow. That is a high country buck. That's awesome.
Good job, Jim.
That
Man.
is a beautiful buck right there.
Look at how cool that is.
Oh. Dude.
Oh, his fork is just long, bladed. Let me see this kicker right here. Look at that.
Dude.
Tall brow tines. He's not super wide, but
No,
man, he's got everything else.
He's probably 23,
Yeah.
22. Oh yeah.
What a beautiful buck.
Yeah. Isn't that awesome?
Oh my goodness.
Wow, look at that. What a trip.
He's got so many cool things going off down here.
Oh, what a good buck.
That looks like it's gonna be fun. We still got that guy over there to put on.
Oh yeah. And my gun. I'll get it.
We've been talking about Elliot the whole time from open season, as we found Elliot and then 2 more smaller Elliots, and then we told him to bring his grandpa, and he brought his grandpa. So we took Grandpa Elliot down, and we're sitting here. It's on the time lapse. We're working this deer up, and just got done talking about Grizz. I'm gonna get out of charge freeze a free card. I'll leave him in the gut pile. And Jim looks up, and there's a mule deer running towards us, and he's like, "Oh, what?" And I like look, and my heart just like skipped a beat because I just see something brown coming straight towards us. Oh, I got adrenaline going again. But anyway, and we deboned the whole thing, so we got tenderloin and heart tonight for supper. You'll see some of that. So
Takes a lot to get buckled in, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. Takes a lot to stand up too.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Oh yeah.
this is gonna be fun. So much fun.
It's the best.
Alright. Headed for camp. Here we go.
We just walked into a grizzly and a cub. They're no more than 100 yards away. And we got all this blood all over us, a dead muley on our back, and downhill from her. And I don't know. It was a very uneasy situation. Yeah, we're going to put some distance.
Loving this new tent. It's so cool. Nice pad. At least yours holds air.
Mine's got a hole in it. Climate I've been using for a long time. It's got a hole in it. So, I'm gonna get my stuff. I'm gonna go right over here. Get a little vantage point and glass for the evening. And make some food. I'm hungry. Ram noodles, smokies. That's what we're gonna have tonight. Right here. That's an awesome sight. Love me a good fire. After our camp set up, we came over and just sat and glassed for the evening. But all we saw was some does. So.
For breakfast. I still got some oatmeal.
back up here in the morning, right just after daylight, glassing for more sheep and deer. Never know what you're going to turn up when it's a clear, cold morning. Making it down through the worst of it right now. Probably 7 miles to go. Heavy loads. Right there. We're on the road less traveled, aren't we? Yeah. Yeah. Strong, hard pull out of here. Oh yes! That didn't hog it up any. Anyway, we're back down the main trail. I'm gonna readjust a few things, and we're out of here. Long grind out, but it's worth it. So, see you peoples later.